Hip capsular motion can be done from multiple positions. For this example, we'll be in the lying position. From here, we want the upper part of the leg to be facing up towards the ceiling and the lower part of the leg to make a nice 90-degree angle. From here, we're using the very deep muscles of the hip and are focusing on keeping the upper leg bone as straight up as possible as we move the foot to the outside of your body to its end range, and then swinging back in towards midline. Working back and forth, slow and controlled,